Okay. Hi everyone. We are here. Biz, Lina, Carola, and Ivo. We're all together here at the Initiative Forum in Sweden. And because we're here together, yeah, it's really cold. Because we're here together, we decided to do the fire task together. And we did fire. We need some fire. We did 4 actions so far, and Ivo will start explaining the first one.
So yesterday night we were sitting here with all the other people here at YIP, and we started doing the project that Biz is going to talk about, and then suddenly it evolved in starting a capoeira roda. So we had a great time. Everybody started dancing, singing, playing. People that never played the capoeira before went in and joined. It was really amazing, and people started dancing samba for an hour or something. Really great.
So before that we had the table in the middle of the room, and we asked people to draw around their hand and to write down what they were going to take home from the YIP conference, but what were they going to go out and do afterwards. And we're going to put up this collection of hands on the wall to inspire more people to do more things when they go home. Perfect. Yeah, so we're in an initiative forum where we have about 250 people, and of course it's very difficult to meet the kind of people that you're looking for and that you might need for your initiatives or projects back home. So we decided to make these kind of name tags, where on one side you put which talents you have to offer, to give, and on the other side which talents you would need to have in your life. It can be anything from a hug to somebody to manage my project in Argentina. So it can be anything. So everybody got these different notes.
Okay, and as the last action, today we had an open space. And in one of the open space sessions, we asked the question, or we offered the space for the question, how can we bring the spirit that is here in YIP, in this bubble kind of, out in our lives when we go back home. So we actually wanted to motivate 250 people to do actions when they go back home in their home countries, which is all over the world. And we hosted an open space session just here, and people were really excited about it and came up with really cool ideas when everybody is going home with the trains, the buses, or the cars, that we leave notes everywhere with like smile and nice messages. Another idea was, for example, to make a book and that you can pass on, where you write down the best moments and things that you appreciate in life, and also flash mobs. And we just have now a big collection of things that people can do when they go back home to spread this spirit that we had here. So,
and we will also harvest this and put up on the website later tonight.
Yeah.
The sun has set.
The sun has set.
Time to go in.
Thanks for listening.